We're here with Vinnie Flynn today. Today we're here to talk about your off-the-clock activities. So I am told that you work with wood.
Yeah.
So let's start with that. How long have you been working with wood?
For the last 10 months, non-stop. Before that, for years, just doing different things around the house for years. I've remodeled our house for years and I've always done different jobs around the house. And so in the past, since February probably, I just started taking on more every weekend.
So how did you get started in woodworking? How did this kind of come about?
We bought a house back in '06. It was one of those money pits, and we couldn't afford to hire anybody to do the work, so I literally had to figure it out as I went along.
Probably collected a lot of tools in that time.
A lot of tools,
yes.
And they've been gathering dust for a long time, and then one day I decided just to get them all out and convert my garage into a wood shop.
What are some of the things that you haven't made yet, but you're thinking about that you'd like to make?
Big farmhouse kitchen table.
Really?
That's what I really want to build, with like a 6 foot, 7 foot long table.
Is furniture really, is that as far as you want to go, or do you have some, like, are we talking building some?
I mean, if I eventually do decide to build a house, which we'll hire someone to build a house, but I want to do all the cabinets and everything in it myself.
Okay, so you want to build cabinets?
I want to build cabinets myself, yeah. That's something I'd love to do. That's build them exactly the way you want.
So that seems a little intricate. Is that,
it can be, yeah.
Is that, have you been watching some YouTube videos, or?
I started making cabinets in my garage for my garage, so I'm kind of just starting there and learning as I go.
So have you made anything else for anyone else, or?
Donny Holer, I made him a set of end tables. Just built a cornhole board for Melvin, which I'm waiting for decals to get that finished. Oh, my wife's work, they're doing an auction, OU Impact auction. I built a cornhole board for that, for auction, put all the OU decals on it. Several sets of coasters for that, and I just made a cutting board that they're going to auction all that off, and hopefully.
Oh, okay. Okay. So this is like an every weekend type thing.
It is. I'm in the garage every weekend.
Okay. So anyone in your family ever been a carpenter? Had you ever been involved in any other way?
My dad was a handyman. Same thing. And I found out about 6 months ago that my mom's uncle was a carpenter.
Has this journey of learning been difficult, or was it easier than you thought it might be?
No, there's some challenges, but it was fun.
Yeah.
You make a lot of mistakes, but that's the cool part. You learn from your mistakes.
This is the measure twice, cut once?
Got to measure twice, cut once. Sometimes measure 3 times, cut once. Especially the more expensive lumber, you don't want to be making mistakes in those.
Okay, so is this, you built furniture for your own house?
I actually haven't built any furniture for my house yet. Everything I've built, I've sold.
Really?
My first project I built was a coffee table. I built it back in May, and my son had me put it on Facebook, said just see if he could sell it. And after about 2 weeks, a lady came online, she bought it, and then she said she wished she had 2 end tables to go with it. So I built her 2 end tables and sold them to her 2 weeks later. Is
this something that you see yourself doing if you had the opportunity to do it all the time?
Oh, when I retire from Webco, I plan to be doing this all the time.
Really enjoy it that much?
I do, I love it, Jim. A lot of the work I've done was with people at Webco, so I'm not putting crazy prices out there. I'm building it, put my name out there, and do these guys a favor. They're doing me a favor by giving me some work to do, so I want to make sure they're not going to pay too much for it. My main focus is family, and then this is a fun for me. It's a fun thing for me. I like it, I don't get stressed out by it. But after I retire, I definitely don't want to be sitting around. I plan to be in the shop building something. I love the idea of getting a piece of timber and turning it into something.
That's fantastic. Vinnie, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us today. We really appreciate it. We're excited to share this off-the-clock hobby that you have. So
thank you very much for the time. I appreciate it.